Hello children, how are you all? This is your teacher Lakshmi from St. Paul's pre-primary section. Children, today we are going to do a rhyme and the topic is rain. Rain. Children, we all have seen rain, right? How does it look? It's a small droplets of water coming from the sky, from the clouds, right? Very good. So, let's get started. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Kitty wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little doggy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Everybody wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. So children, I hope you all enjoyed this rhyme. So with that, we come to an end of this session. We'll see you in the next session with some other topic. Until then, children, bye.